Greetings, Elderly Vegan here, and welcome to my fourth single-topic video I refer to as From the Books. In this video, I will be discussing strategies which research show to be associated with increased longevity. And the first concept I want to mention is related to the length of one's telomeres. Think of telomeres as protective little end caps which keep the tip ends of your DNA from unraveling, so to speak. Yet with every cell division, your telomeres shorten. And when your telomeres become too short to serve their purpose in any given cell, the cell will die. Hence, it's to your benefit to prevent as many of your cells from dying because their DNA is unraveling. Instead, there are lifestyle modifications which have been shown to increase the length of one's telomeres, and with regard to nutritional choices, whole foods plant-based diets reign supreme. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli and kale, along with leafy greens, top the list. But a whole foods plant-based diet in general apparently contributes to longer telomere length. Other telomere boosting entities include coffee, green tea, and vitamin D. All of this information comes directly from Dr. Michael Greger's book, How Not to Age, as well as David Sinclair's book, Lifespan, Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to. I should also mention, aerobic exercise also increases telomere length. But there are supplements too which are associated with increased longevity, and all of these I will be mentioning are vegan friendly. First up is what is referred to as PQQ, which as mentioned in Dr. Michael Murray's book, The Longevity Matrix. PQQ's claim to fame is the effect it has on mitochondrial function. And if you need help remembering what mitochondria are and what they do, think of them as ultra-tiny little energy factories contained with every cell in your body. In fact, they are present beyond count in your muscles, liver, heart, and brain. And as I mentioned in my first video, when I give my testimonial to health and fitness, mitochondria decline in number and function as we age, and when they are spent, you are no longer among the living. Apparently, supplemental PQQ enhances mitochondrial function as well as the production of new mitochondria. Some manufacturers, such as this one, also include CoQ10 because it too is directly involved with energy production in the mitochondria. Next up, Resveratrol. And this one is of special interest to me because it is a phytonutrient found in Japanese knotweed. And it's been shown to activate the same longevity gene as does intermittent fasting. Yet one does not have to endure the discomfort of fasting in order to activate this gene. This is of interest to me because I have an aversion to starving myself. I learned of this information for the first time in David Sinclair's book, Lifespan, Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to. And there is also another supplement I learned about for the first time in David Sinclair's book, but it also is mentioned in Dr. Mark Hyman's book, Young Forever. This supplement is called NAD+. This compound may be the superstar of all, most notably because it apparently activates 7 different longevity genes simultaneously. And for the overachievers out there, these longevity genes are referred to as sirtuins. But other benefits of NAD+ include DNA repair, as well as its role with mitochondrial function. I probably should mention that we do make NAD when we are young, but like so many things, NAD production declines with age, hence making supplementation in our latter years more important. And then there are the effects of regular aerobic exercise, which also raise NAD levels. As I mentioned above a few moments ago, aerobic exercise also lengthens telomeres. It just doesn't get any better when you include regular aerobic exercise in your daily routine. And by the way, the guy you see in the photo really does engage in some no-nonsense cardio workouts. I think he's just posing here for this photo op. And that concludes my fourth video in my From the Book series. I hope you're finding this information useful. So long for now, the Elderly Vegan.